In this video, I'll show you how to fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in your games. Now, what we want to do is we want to come down here and search for advanced system settings. You can also find it on the control panel, but just search for it here and open it. In here, you want to head over to advanced tab, press settings under performance, go to advanced right here, and click on change. Now make sure you uncheck this one. Make sure you go to custom size. Make sure in here you write this number. So 10572. Obviously it will be another number for you. And you want to write the exact same one in this one. After you've written this number in both of these, what you want to do is press set, OK, then try and launch the game. Now after that, it should hopefully work. Maybe your PC needs a restart real quick, but that should be about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.